Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna do a little bit of vlog styling right now. Obviously, like, I will usually just sit down for my intros and things like that, but I thought that I would stand around and show you real life stuff going on. I'm gonna decorate some of my dining room for Christmas, and I'm gonna show you guys that I really want to do my hutch and the other like shelf I did with like a trash to treasure. And if you guys can see behind me, this is what we're working with right now. This is the living room. But you can see that I took all of my fall stuff down, and then now I'm gonna show you guys my Christmas stuff. I just brought all of our boxes or our totes. Whoa, lighting. Okay, I just brought all of our stuff upstairs. I think I still have like one or two more totes. I bought stuff last year after Christmas. That is when I buy stuff. I buy it for cheap. I do not like paying full price for things because I am cheap, like super cheap, I guess. And I'll show you guys like better looks too. And then this is like what I have right now all over the place. I still have to go through stuff and pick out things that I don't want anymore. I really like decluttering, and I like put a bunch of stuff up here. I like threw stuff in here that I'll be using like for my 3-tier tray and things like that. I have like a haul video from last year. If you guys want to watch it, it is just like me doing a haul video of all of like my after Christmas stuff. Like I said, that is when I like to buy things just because it's super, super cheap. All right, you guys, I'm really not going to talk a whole lot through this video because at the end of this video, I will go over where everything was purchased and bought from, and if it was last year or whatnot, and things that I made in the past. So we are just unpacking everything right now, and I'm kind of getting everything in piles, and then I'm going to start decorating the hutch and then our dining room table along with this shelf in the corner, and Presley is going to be helping me along the way.
Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire, chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
A sunny day, but it's cold outside. It tingles in my heart. Breathing air that clears my mind. I'm all for a good start. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. I'm walking around making small
Okay,
talk.
so I'm just gonna tell you guys where everything is from because I feel like I always forget. So this is from Dollar General last year. These candles sticks were from Menards. I always decorate with these just throughout the whole year. That little Tabasco basket was from Walmart in the spring. These little trees like this came in a 3-pack. These are from Walmart. I always like to buy everything after the holiday. So I only paid I think $5 for the 3 of them when they were like 10 or 12, so maybe they were $5 or $6. But anyways, I really love those. Those are like new this year. This Noel Farm sign, I think this came from Tractor Supply. They always seem to have these like every single year, but this is like my favorite sign. Normally it's in my kitchen every year, but I decided to put it on my hutch. And then we got another one of these trees. I like how they're flocked. And they don't really get that messy, so I really like that. These, oh my gosh, what are these called? Candle holders, candlesticks. These came from Target a long time ago. And I think these were after Christmas too one year, and I paid almost like nothing for them. They're like 70 or 80% off. This little Be Merry sign, I'm from the East Coast obviously, and we have a Myers, so I love their decor at Myers, so that's from there. Target, this was from my grandma, I think. I have a lot of like hand-me-down Christmas stuff. I still left my Ray Dunn stuff up here, and the only reason why I did is because I just don't want it broke. This little can, or this little milk can, came from Hobby Lobby from my grandma. This is also from my grandma too. 'Tis the Season. This is also another one from Meyer. And then we're just going up here. Probably gonna have to get a chair. But this candle obviously came from TJ Maxx. It's a Ray Dunn. It's vanilla. It smells super good. We have this house. This came after Christmas from Target. This came from Dollar General last year. Walmart after the holidays. It was only like $2. This Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. I'm not sure where this came from. I want to say that maybe came from Kohl's. I don't know. I don't feel like I would have bought it at Kohl's. Probably Meyer. Another one of these little lanterns from Walmart. This came from Meyer too. I love this one. It looks like it's wood, and it's like just a really, it's bare, I don't know, I guess it is wood. But anyways, that is super cute. It says Santa & Co. special delivery. These little berries came from Dollar Tree last year, and I wish I could find more because they are so pretty. Okay, this hutch is so tall. So this little tree, oh my gosh, I still left the tags on it, of course. This is from, it was $5 from Target. I think I hit up the 70% off, so I think I paid under $3 for it. So this I made, and you guys will already see that was out this week. I love this little guy. He's so cute, and it actually is made really well for just using hot glue and little containers. So if you guys didn't see that video, it came out on Tuesday, so make sure you go check that out. This little fresh cut Christmas trees, this came from Walmart last year. Like I said, I buy everything after Christmas. Little deer are from my grandma. The tree is from Walmart, obviously. That little lantern is so cute. That came from Dollar General last year. We have a little Ray Dunn. The North Pole & Co. I made those this year. This little wreath truck, I just put it up here, and I put a basket so I could push it more towards the front. I did that with this too. There's like something behind here. This little snow sign, I have had that since like Scarlett's first Christmas. I didn't have any Christmas decorations, and I just went to Dollar General and bought a few, so I've had that forever. This little mason jar, that was from my grandma too, and then this is just another little Dollar General buy. It was only a couple bucks. I think I actually bought them after the holiday season too. I can't remember exactly. So yeah, that's it for the hut. All right, we are gonna come over here. I don't know if I'm super happy with how this tree is. When I bought it, I thought it was gonna be really big. I don't know what I thought when I thought 3 foot. I thought it was like, I don't know, gonna be huge, but this was super cute. I bought this last year after Christmas. I love this little bucket. It is so pretty. And I love this flocked tree. This one is kind of messy, but this is so pretty. I really want to get like a little stool or like a little bench and set it on there just to give it some height, because I feel like it's so low to the ground. Like I'm on my knees right now. So this part of the dining room, I just have this shelf right here. I actually did a trash to treasure video on this along with my hut. So if you guys want to see those videos, I will leave those links too. I love doing trash to treasure videos. This isn't gonna stay like this. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna change it like in a minute because I don't like it. But this is a Santa Claus. I got this, I wanna say from Kohl's, or maybe, actually I think I got it from Michael's like a long time ago. But he's so cute. He has some little skis. Super cute. This little candle is from Dollar General. I have this picture of Scarlett. I can never put this away. She like turned 2. I took these pictures on the railroad tracks, and my mom found this really cute train frame, and this is just like one of my favorite things ever. These trees came from Meyer a few years ago. They do light up. I made these little mason jars last year in one of my DIYs. This truck I made this year, and that is where it's gonna stay. This little berry, this is kind of falling apart. This came from Meyer a couple years ago. I made these two. It's like a little present in the back. I made these last year. It's the most wonderful time of the year. This little shadow box came from Meijer. This came from Dollar General, pretty sure. I just had this little crack in here with some boxwood. I just kept that there. This tree and this little mason jar sign, I made these last year. I really like those. And this little snowman came from a primitive shop we used to go to, and then they actually closed that one up, but he's really cute. And then the next thing I'm going to show you is this. I finally put this up. This was from Dollar General last year. I just thought it was really cute, and it was the last one, and I thought he looked sad. So I brought him home. This little twine tree I made, Dollar General this year, Target, I think Walmart, all these little trees came from. Dollar Tree, made this, Dollar Tree. This little sign came from Meijer. It says, "'Tis the season to be jolly." Target, Dollar Tree, Dollar Tree. Up here, this little ornament came from Kohl's. This is from the Target Dollar Spot or Bullseye's Playground this year. Target and the Bullseye's Playground this year. And I love the way that this turned out. I just love this shelf. That shelf came from Hobby Lobby. And I just did this little area up right here. And there's not a whole lot here, but this is like stuff that kids can play with without breaking it. So I got this tree from Target last year. I always keep tags on everything. So this was actually 20 bucks. And I want to say oh my gosh, I want to say I did get the 70% off because I don't think I would have even paid 10 bucks for that. And then this came from a primitive shop, I want to say. Mickey Mouse stuff. My mom bought Scarlet, and she picked these up at CVS when they were like half price. These are given to me from my grandma, but I think these are from Hallmark. I'm pretty sure. This is from Dollar General this year. I thought this was super cute. And then here is just one more little Mickey, and then I just kept like normal stuff down here because it's in the corner, nobody can see it. And these all play music. Did you play that one? Okay, so this came from Walmart last year, and then I just had some, like a bag of pine cones and some fun stuff in there, so we put that in there. On this tray came from Dollar General a couple years ago, and then I made everything in this tray right here, with just some Dollar Tree items. Move that around a little bit. There we go. And then this table runner, is that what it's called? Yeah, a table runner. This table runner came from Walmart last year after Christmas. Like I said, half off is always like the best time to buy anything. And I've already showed these trees, but these trees came from Meijer, and I just liked the way the centerpiece looked with just a couple taller pieces. I've never actually did a centerpiece before, or like anything more than just like a tiny tray. So I really wanted to do something like that. And I think this is so cute. I love how this turned out. And then over here in the corner, I just kind of threw some stuff up here. I made this with thrift store items and like a Dollar Tree tree. It looks kind of sad, but it'll work for now. But I love this bucket with the burlap. And then these were given to me as well. And then we got Scarlet's school picture. We had to keep that up, and then just normal everyday decor right there. And then the very last thing to show you is this tree that I thrifted. I have yet to fix the ribbon on this. I was talking to people about how to do ribbon, and so I will definitely fix this when I have time. But I just have that in the corner. This is like where the Hutch is, that's in the corner. And then I picked up this at Walmart last year. It says reindeer food, and I don't know what to put in there yet. I guess we got a bouncy ball in there, so that'll work for now, but I just liked that, and I think that looks really, really cute. All right, you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below, and also don't forget to check out my new channel. It is called Kristen K Lifestyle. I will leave the link in the description box below for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
People that pass me